Our next performer, can I have him? He's first time at this event. Otherwise, I'll find out he's performed somewhere else and I misinterpreted it. So, Sushil Cherian, please. I love your last name, by the way, Cherian.
Dude, I think you're like ages, man.
Oh, I wasn't born, I think, when you were.
Absolutely, good chance.
Is it
for
Big
that.
Mike?
Okay, for all you guys who've seen me here before, yeah? Right, I wasn't supposed to perform today. I'm performing just because I've got really good friends from Bangalore down and they were like, yeah, dude, we have to see you perform, and they don't believe I actually do something like this. So this is for them. Right, first up, for all of you all who don't know me and who've never seen me do this before, I don't really do stand-up comedy. Well, not in the traditional sense of it. I don't tell you one joke after the other. I tell you my life experiences because my life is a joke, and it does take on very many funny facets along the way. So I just kind of give you real, true life stories that you guys can hopefully relate to and then trigger a couple of laughs out of it. By the way, first of all, how many MBAs in the house here? Can I have a raise of hands? MBAs, raise your hands, please. Fucking shoot. You know, in the last 3 days, I have met 3 different MBAs. Every time I don't meet them just like that, okay? I go to a party, I'm hanging around and all, somebody introduces me to them and all that. And I'm like, okay, hi, my name is Sushil, hey, I'm Abhinav. So I'm like, okay, so what do you do, Abhinav? I'm an MBA. I'm like, fuck man, since when did MBAs become something that you do? It's something that you did. You don't do it anymore, your profession is what you do. Finally, so I'm like, Abhinav, so exactly what is it that you do? He's like, I'm a DJ. I'm like, you fucking cunt. All you engineers and fucking MBAs, dude, they take all the best jobs. Because in India, even if you are a DJ or you're an artist now, you have to be either an engineer or an MBA. I just got a call from somebody, he's like, hey, I would really like to know this group you started in Bombay, I would really like to start this group in Pune. I said, okay, great, so what do you do? I'm an MBA. I'm like, so that doesn't tell me what you do, right? So what exactly do you do? He's like, I'm a budding blogger and journalist. I'm like, fuck, what is the connection between you and an MBA, man? Tata Intercom is, how many people here use Tata Intercom? Because I'm planning to get rid of mine. It's a fucking irritating bloody dongle service. And I have not been able to get a decent connection since the time I bought it, which was like a week ago. I called up customer service for Tata Intercom and this lady gets on the phone and she's like, yes sir, what is the problem? And I said, hello madam, I'm a Tata Intercom user, but I'm a MacBook Pro user. So I'm having difficulty because my connection is not connecting. So he's like, okay sir, no problem, kindly please go click on start and then go to the control panel. So I said, no, you don't understand, I'm a MacBook Pro user. And yes sir, I understand, please go to start and then go to the control panel. I said, see, listen, you need to get me a supervisor because this is absolutely not working out. You have no clue of what I'm talking about. Okay sir, please hold the line. I get full Ghana for about 15 minutes. Then finally when she comes back, she tells me, sir, what is the name of your computer? So I said, my computer is called MacBook Pro. Is this Apple MacBook Pro? I said, yes, Apple MacBook Pro. How many other MacBook Pros are there? So yeah, that's the Chennai call service for you. Recently I spent 1 month in Delhi. It was by far the most interesting month of my life. Partly because I came back alive. I came this close to getting mugged, being thrown a stone at and getting into a fight. So it was a really exciting 1 month. I'll tell you an incident of something that happened to me in a bar in Delhi. I was getting done with work one night and I went to this place called the Pink Room in Horsecars Village. And I'm sitting down nursing a beer and this guy comes up to me and he's like, hey, no, he comes up to me, first of all he looks me up and down and I'm looking up at him and he's a big fucking burly chap, full cut down his hand, like one V-neck for a t-shirt so that you can see all his hair popping out and one big dude, okay? So he's like, kya kar rahe ho? So I'm looking at him, I'm like, पी रहा हूँ. अकेले? I'm like, हाँ भाई, अकेले पी रहा हूँ. ठीक है. He comes and he sits down on my table, at my table. He stretches his hand out, he's like, I am Supinder Chadda. I'm like, glad to meet you, I am Sushil Cherian. हाँ, तो कहाँ से हो? So I said, actually मैं बॉम्बे से हूँ. नहीं, आपके शक्ल से तो नहीं दिखते. I'm like, how am I supposed to respond to this guy? I said, okay, actually originally I'm from Kerala. हाँ, see, that's what I thought. You're from down there. I'm like, really? Like down there? They're like, yes, they're down there, Kerala. I'm also going to go to Kerala at one point in time and all. I said, okay, that's great for you. So, I've actually come from Noida and my Benchot client was supposed to meet me, but fucking Benchot, he didn't meet me today, and he went on for 10 minutes telling me why he was in Delhi in that bar in Oscar's Village. Then he looks at me again and he's like, "Aap Muslim ho?" So I'm like, "Nahi." So, फिर Hindu? I said, "नहीं, Hindu नहीं हूँ, I'm a Christian." Ah, very good, very good. I'll tell you something you won't mind. So I said, क्या है यार? I said, नहीं, बुरा मत मानो यार, बुरा मत मानो. I said, okay, ठीक है यार, चलो. तो इधर joke है. I said, very good, joke है, तो बताओ जी. So then he's like, Jesus के ऊपर है. So I'm like, oh crap, dude, like really? I'm like, ठीक है यार, बताओ. He said, पता है Jesus ने धरती पर आके सब लोगों को क्या बोला था? I'm like, नहीं. सोचो यार, सोचो क्या बोला होगा? I said, boss, I really don't know, man. Who the gives a fuck? I mean, I can give you parables and all, but I don't think that's what the joke's about. So he's like, okay. Jesus ने धरती पर आके सब लोग को ये बोला कि भैंचो तुझे पता है मेरा बाप कौन है? And I'm looking at his face, okay, and he's like laughing away, and I'm like, fuck, dude, like I don't believe you just pulled that one on me, you know? And I just gave up. I was like, okay, चलो यार, सुखविंदर, बड़ा funny सा joke था यार. So he's like, okay. Then he gets up. He's like, Acha, I'm just going. So I'm like, you're leaving for the night. He's like, नहीं यार. He takes his beer bottle and he fucks off. I'm like, fuck, man, I don't know where he's going. Next minute I see him following a girl out of a room somewhere, and I'm like, okay, thank you so much, I'm taking my leave, and I forgot. So that was my one experience with a Delhiite in Delhi. And I still can't pronounce it properly. I keep calling them Jhards for some reason. And I keep getting corrected by people who think it really matters, but in my head they're all Jhards only, so it doesn't make a difference to me. I don't know if you, I mean, a lot of my friends here are here, and guys who I've made friends with. Wow, they just really want to get rid of me, huh?
No, it's FYP.
Oh, it's a 4-minute thing.
Yeah.
Oh, brilliant.
I said at the beginning.
Okay, great. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much, guys.